These print-on-demand products sold over $100,000 combined in this year. And if you know exactly the popular phrases to use along with the trending element and design style, you can start utilizing these in your own designs to start selling on Etsy. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you the 5 top trending designs you can start selling right now to help you gain some sales in 2024. So welcome back to the video, my friends. If you're new here, my name is Jay, and on this channel I teach you how to make income online by creating and selling your own products. So if you like content like this, then consider subscribing to my channel. Now, one of the ways we're able to find these top trending products is by using Everbee. Everbee gives us some background data in regards to how many sales a product has received over the lifetime of the listing, as well as how well that product is doing in the past 30 days. And by using Everbee, we're able to target specific products that are doing extremely well in a short amount of time, so we can start redesigning this in our own unique way. Now, if you want to check out Everbee on your own, I make sure I leave all the information in my description box below for you to test this out and to see if it is best for your print-on-demand business. So let's jump into my computer and I'll share with you these 5 top trending designs you need to start selling on your print-on-demand business. All right, so our first design style we have for our sweatshirts is this custom dog sweatshirt. As you can see here, it's a very simple design. Just have the outline of the pet here, and they have the name of the pet here. Etsy is telling us that this product is in demand. 137 people bought this in the last 24 hours. And again, we see other different styles of the sweatshirt as well. And one of the things to also show here is that this is a customized item, and they have different type of dog outlines you can choose. And this is what the customer will say, hey, I want number 14, I want number 7, because they want to have a design that's matching their dog breed. And so this is easy to create because when you jump into Creative Fabrica, we can see that there are several different styles of designs you can choose that's very similar to what we saw working on Etsy. So this is going to save you a ton of time. This one here gives us 63 dog breeds, SVGs, and PNG. This one here is a different style, but still gives the same type of offering here. And of course, you definitely want to be different in the designs you create to offer something of more value. And we have this here giving you 100 different dog breeds. This can easily be customizable. Put the dog name somewhere on the top, even on the side here. And again, you can even go in here and find different type of dog ears, just like this, for a specific breed. And so all you have to do is jump into Creative Fabrica. In the search term I just put in here was dog breed, and you can see there are so many different opportunities and different styles you can use for these type of products that are selling well on Etsy. And our next sweatshirt that is doing well is another pet sweatshirt, another dog shirt. And one of the things I like to do when I am doing my research is try to stay within the niche of the recent products I searched up, because similar keywords are going to transfer over. Similar design styles I can use can transfer over as well. And here we have yet another example of a pet or a dog sweatshirt doing extremely well right now. It's a very simple design, but it's offering in that personalization that if you watched any of my videos, personalization is what's going to help you stand head and shoulders above the rest of the competition. So we see a simple texture in the front of our design, dog mama, with a little paw print here. I think we can add more value going back into our other designs by adding in a specific breed here, but nonetheless they have a simple dog print, and they have that personalization on the side here, which is the pet's name. Now again, if you think about the other design we just got done talking about, we can definitely utilize some of those dog breed designs over into our space here. Even when they talk about, you know, the dog's name, we can even have the face of the dog breed here on the side, which again offers ton of more value than what we see here. But nonetheless, this product is still doing extremely well. In demand, over 150 of these products has been bought in the last 24 hours. And of course, if we go a little bit further and look at the data on Everbee, we can see this product is only 2 months old. This is what I mean by trying to identify trends that are, you know, recently products that has been released, but they're still getting in tons of sales, understanding the design and merging those things over into other spaces where the value may not be offered. Like here, we're missing the dog breed pictures. We can add that here and add so much value. This product, 2 months old. That's the first thing I look at to determine the level of trend I see here. I go in here and see this product has received almost 900 400 sales in the lifetime of listing. I go over here, and in the last 30 days, it has received half of its sales, 444 sales in the last 30 days, rounding up to almost $30,000 in revenue for the past month. Again, we see the number of favorites, the level of reviews, but I look at also the view count, because that is how people are finding this product to purchase this product. And when I go down to the bottom of the page here, I can see that every single key phrase they're using in their tags is generating some type of search volume. And that's where sometimes your product don't get viewed because you're not utilizing search terms that people are typing in. But with Everbee, you're able to see the search volume and actually learn from other best-selling products and utilize those same type of terms in your listing, but offering a different design style that will be more intriguing for these same people who are buying this type of products. So we see certain terms like dog mom sweatshirt receiving almost 1,400 people search this up in the past 30 days. We see mama sweatshirt. We go up here and we see name on sleeve, which we know is very popular right now on Etsy, and we see different type of personalized mama shirt or customized for her. So different type of things we can add to our listing here. All right, so our next product is a mama sweatshirt that is personalized with the script font, and is utilizing these unique type of alphabets here that has these designs inside of the letter itself. We see this product is a best-selling product. In the last 24 hours, 3 people bought this product, which is still great to target. And as we look at this data from Everbee a little bit further, we understand why. This product here is only 8 months old, but in the lifetime of the listing, it has received almost 1,000 sales. So we know this is just going to increase even when we come into different seasons. So we go back a little bit further and see how many sales it's received in the last 30 days. 120 sales, which brought in almost $5,000 in revenue, which is a great start to this product. Again, not even hitting the peak seasons yet. And then we're going down a little bit further, see the reviews. And I specifically look at the level of views this product has received. So I go down a little bit further as we did with the other products and learn from the listing and grab all these keywords here that's doing extremely well. And here's the part that I want to talk about also, is that when you lock in a design that's doing well, like this one here, you can utilize different type of alphabets that still bring about the same style here for our design. So there are a ton of different alphabet floral designs you can add to your sweatshirt. And we see this retro style here, adding in this unique flower design in the back. And again, we can take the individual letters and spell out the specific person's name here. But we can also look at different styles. This one here is a floral design. We can see the different art style here. We can pick out the individual letters to spell out the person's name or the specific title of the person in our design. Same thing here. There's a ton of different opportunities here on Creative Fabrica to merge into these design styles that we know can do extremely well for us when we're selling on Etsy. Now, the cool thing about selling these type of products on Etsy is that we understand that this product is doing extremely well. Again, we know that this is a best-selling product, but one of the things that we can also offer, and just not different design styles with the text or the letters itself, but we can target specific people, different people. Instead of the mama, we can put grandma or Gigi, we can put nana, we can put auntie. So many different type of people in different terms for those same people we can add here as well. And again, of course, we can always merge these different design styles over into different seasonal trends like Christmas. We can do different fall letters, but these things are doing extremely well. But this is a product that truly can sell year round, especially when we're targeting specific people in the middle of our design. And the next sweatshirt design that's doing extremely well right now is a basic text design. I believe we can learn a lot from and integrate into over niches. And so first of all, this is a best-selling product. Everything we talked about so far is showing us in demand, which is exactly the type of products we want to target. 12 people bought this in the last 24 hours. If we look at this design here, very, very simple. It says life is better, and it has a heart with my boys. Now, one of the things I look at when I see simple products like this is, number one, how can I add value that's not represented here? And how can I take this unique phrase and apply this to different niches? So for instance here, without us changing any of the design itself, we can take this text and apply it to a different niche or a different target audience. So we can say, instead of life is better with my boys, I can say life is better with my girls, or we can say life is better with my dogs, or life is better with my cats, or we can put life is better with my flowers, or life is better with my coffee. But we can take these different terms and apply it to different niches to target specific people that will buy these type of products as well. And I have a whole different video talking about how to target specific people, professions, occasions, seasons, and hobbies, where you can make literally 20 to 30 different designs with this same type of phrase to target different people. But nonetheless, we see this product is doing well. We can go into Everbee and learn from the listing even further and see how well this product is doing. And again, this product is only 2 months old, received 147 total lifetime sales. And we see in the last 30 days, it received 73 sales, almost $4,000 just for this basic text design. That probably took them no more than 5-10 minutes to figure out what they want to say and how they want to put it. But nonetheless, basic text designs are always going to work because that is what some people enjoy. And again, taking this phrase, applying it to different people, professions, occasions, and seasons, and of course, bringing in different hobbies, it's a great space for us to create as well. And if you learn from this video, we can take different elements we used elsewhere to apply to this design. And we know this phrase is doing well. We can take different design styles that we learned from other products and apply them here. We can put the dog breed here. We can put different lettering here with the special alphabets, but still take upon this unique phrase to our design. So here's a quick example of what I mean by taking a popular phrase and merging it over to different design styles or different niches to sell in as well. So we took that same phrase, life is better, but instead of it saying with my boys, we just put it with my and whatever breed of animal you want to sell. And that's why we put it in parentheses here. And we grabbed over one of the outline of the dogs that we use in our other product in this space here, which again, once you're creating different things in different spaces, it's going to save you so much time keeping these things open where you can use them in different design areas, just like what we're doing here. So again, we can sell this type of product to a specific dog lover, dog mom, for a dog gift. And if we use this on a specific mockup, you can see how easy it is to create trending designs utilizing popular phrases, but targeting specific people. And this can be done just not for the dog niche, but for the cat niche. We can do it for the specific hobby niche. For instance, life is better with my books. Life is better with my grandchildren. There's so many different opportunities for us to sell and create for this type of product to different people and different niches. And the fifth and final product that we're going to talk about today that is trending right now with sweatshirts is this grandma custom garden birth flower sweatshirt. I mean, talk about a niche to get into that is selling extremely well. This product is, of course, a best-selling product. In the past 24 hours, 133 people bought this specific design. And as you can see here, it is a very simple design. It's bringing in one of the main things I talk about that's driving sales for a lot of people. And it is that personalization. It is that customization. And we have it literally all over this product here. We have just not the name on the bottom, but these specific flowers here are tied to a birth month. These are what we call birth flowers. And so here we're offering a unique style of design. Not only can the person type in the specific names they want on their product, but they can choose the specific birth flower that is tied to whatever birth month that child is born in. And we see this sellers here showcasing the different type of birth flowers along with the information regarding the month and the flower itself. But as you can see here, this is doing extremely well. Let's jump into Everbee and see a little bit more regarding the data of this product. And again, this product has only been around for 5 months. Everything we're talking about today is within the past year that's doing well. But in the lifetime of the listing, it has received almost 2,000 sales. And in the past 30 days, it has received 341 sales, almost capturing $10,000 just for this design here. Again, we see the level of reviews, but I like to see the view count here. 60,000 people viewed this product. And one of the reasons why is because it is so a niche product. We're talking about something for a grandma, which is a niche already. And we're talking about custom sweatshirts for grandma, and then we're talking about birth flowers. So we're bringing in 3 different micro niches here that's really attracting specific buyers for this product. We can go a little bit further down as we did with the other products, but notice specifically with this product category here, we're getting view counts in the thousands with 98% of the keywords they're using here. 1,500 here, 1,700, 2,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 7,000. So again, this is a huge opportunity for you to learn from the listing, but this is what people are typing in because these are the type of products people want to purchase. And one of the places we can gather these birth flowers to resell on our sweatshirt is from Creative Fabrica. All we did here was type in birth flower in the search bar, and now these things came up. I just picked this one just to be as an example for today's video of how easy it is to find different flowers to use for our designs here. And there's multiple birth flowers we can use and grab from to create our own unique design. As we see, there are some that we can use here as well. We even have some that's in black and white that we can use for our designs here. But again, there's multiple opportunities for us to create similar products, just like this one here that is doing extremely well. We're talking about a specific niche here that's bringing in 133 sales in the past 24 hours. And of course, there's more personalizations we can add here. We can add in some things on the side of the sleeve. We can add in a different style of flowers. But again, once we know what is working well, we're able to utilize that in different spaces and different opportunities for us to sell to multiple people. So as you can see, finding these trending designs is really easy to do with Everbee, as they give you so much data for you to determine which products you need to focus on and what type of keywords you need to use in your own Etsy listing. Now, if you want to check out Everbee on your own, I'll make sure to leave all the information in my description box below for you to test this out on your own and to see if it is best for your print-on-demand business. Now, if you want to learn how to start your own Etsy print-on-demand business from start to finish, then click this next video here. And if you want to learn more about how to make income online, then consider subscribing to my channel here. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.